Now I'll give you a few home remedies where you can cure your pimples which you are already having it without leaving a scar on your face. So the first remedy would be
Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you have seen the thumbnail and clicked on this video, so first of all thank you guys for taking your time and watching my video. And as so you will all be eager to know all those solutions to those problems. So many will be facing those problems, right? So without wasting any more time, let us go and watch.
Good evening everyone, Dr. Sheetal here. The teenage years can be difficult for both parents and the kids alike. The combination of hormonal changes, the social challenges and the academic pressures all add up at this crucial age. And on top of it, few children or few teenagers face problems with their skin. Today let us discuss on the most common problem faced by all teenagers, that is acne. Acne is a condition where the hair follicles are plugged in with the oil and the dead cells. Coming to the causes, it can be due to your hormonal changes, your lifestyle, that is your eating habits, sleep pattern, the water intake. It can be due to the dirt accumulation, it can be due to your cosmetics what you are using, and the stress levels in your life. Let me tell you what you cannot have. It is the white bread, the pastries, the cakes, the candies, and the soft drinks. So this need to be avoided completely. And what you can take? You can consume lot of fruits, nuts, vegetables, legumes, whole grains. These are the ones which can benefit your skin and keep your skin hydrated and healthy. I'm sure every teenager who is facing with this problem must be feeling, oh my god, I have to avoid all my favorite foods now. You have no choice, you have to avoid it. Now I'll give you a few home remedies where you can cure your pimples which you are already having it without leaving a scar on your face. So the first remedy would be honey and cinnamon. Take 2 teaspoons of honey and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Make a paste and apply it on your face and wash it off with plain water after 15 to 20 minutes. So similarly, the next remedy is like aloe vera, and aloe vera is mostly found in everyone's house. Take a scoop of the gel and rub it on your face and leave it for again 15 to 20 minutes for it to dry, and then wash it off with plain water. Exfoliating your skin regularly is another tip where you can avoid acne coming up on your skin. Exfoliating is something like removing the dead cells from your face regularly. What you can do is, for the exfoliation scrub, you can either have sugar or salt mixed with coconut oil and rub gently on your face. Do not rub it very harsh, but rub it very gently and massage it for about 2 minutes and then wash off your face. This will remove off your dead cells and thus you will prevent the pimples from appearing on your face. And for the teenagers who have been facing the problem of acne from a longer time and they are not able to get a cure from any of the home remedies, they can apply this mixture of homeopathic remedies which can definitely cure your pimples and keep your skin healthy and fresh. Despite using this, if any of you still face the problem of the appearance of the pimples on your face, you can please consult a doctor and take proper medications. I'm sure these tips will help you in getting rid of your pimples, and I would suggest you to keep yourself healthy and beautiful by following the healthy diet, your sleep pattern to 6 to 8 hours, and drinking lots of water to keep your system clean and your skin hydrated. Thank you everyone, and goodbye for now.
How was the video, guys? Did you love it? Then please do like, share and comment your feedbacks down below this video, because I'll feel happy to read your comments, and please do like, share and comment. Before going, a big thank you to all the subscribers who have subscribed to my channel. Thank you for keeping that trust on me, that that I'll come with good contents on this channel. So thank you friends for your support, and people who are new to our channel, if you have watched the video and if you liked it, then please do like, share, comment and even subscribe to our channel, because we'll be coming up every week, same day, same time, with many more interesting topics. So please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive further notifications. So thank you for all my subscribers, and I promise that I will come up with very interesting topics for everyone, so that it will be very much useful for everyone. So this is my promise from my side. So thank you. Until then, so let me wave a goodbye to everyone, and let's come next week, same day, same time, with an interesting topic. So until then, stay home, stay safe and enjoy yourself. Bye bye friends.